Okay, first I'm going to explain you how the mechanism works, and then I'm going to be moving on to the building. So first we have the key here, which when going inside it moves this to the left, and then this pushes this piece here, it pushes this cheese loop to go front a bit, and it makes the tray come out. And this is all done on a smooth tile. I made this kind of like white, and I put this part red because this is where you insert the key. And on the back of the tray here, there's a stud, which is a reason why it blasts out, because there's a space for the stud to fit here, and it fits. And because this piece knocks it out, it acts as a stud shooter, except it's a tray shooter now. And you might have seen that when I push it inside, when I push the tray back inside, this piece goes here and shoots the key out. But over here it does not happen, and that's because I've removed this to give you a proper view of the mechanism, and I've used this piece here. And since this is slightly tall, when I insert this piece here, it stops this piece from going too far. This can't move anymore further, and because of that, when this comes back, when the tray is inserted, this comes back, shooting the key out. And when I close it, so that's the mechanism for you. And now let's move on to the building.